Hello everyone, I am Anish from grade 8C. Today I am making an electroscope. So let us start. So the material required are a glass jar, some aluminium leaves, a thick copper wire, now take the cap of the jar and make a hole in the middle of it. Now make a roll of a paper. Now insert the paper roll into the glass jar's cap so that the electric charges doesn't escape through the metal cap. Do some adjustments so that it is very perpendicular to the cap. Now take the thick copper wire and insert it into the paper roll like this. Now close the cap for checking. Now bend the copper wire as shown in this video. Now make a small bend at the bottom of the copper wire so that we can hang the aluminium leaves. Now at the top you have to bend the copper wire in a spiral way. Like this. Now let us again close the cap and make some adjustments to look better. The other alternative for aluminium leaves, cut aluminium sheet into some rectangular strips and hang them. After hanging them, close the cap. If they are not perfect, make them. Now our electroscope is ready. The working of electroscope. Now let us charge a PVC pipe with a woolen cloth. The PVC pipe turns negatively charged and the woolen cloth would be positively charged. Now take your PVC pipe and go near the top part of the copper wire so that the charges from the PVC pipe pass through the copper wire and go to the strips, and both the strips get same charges or like charges and repel. As we all know, like charges repel and unlike charges attract. As you can see here, both the strips got like charges and there is a little ripple movement in them. Repeating again, charge your PVC pipe with a woolen cloth. Take the pipe near to the top part of copper wire and both the strips repel because they get like charges. Thanks for watching.
The things you need to make an electroscope are a woolen cloth, PVC pipe, copper wire, a glass jar and aluminium foil. The copper wire is needed to be cut in two ends. After that, you need to attach the aluminium foils to the bottom end. After you do so, your electroscope is needed to be attached to the jar and it starts to work. The aluminium stripes receive the same charge from the pipe through the copper wire. Remember that metals are good conductors of electricity. The stripes carrying similar charges repel each other and they become wide open. Such a device can be used to test whether an object is carrying charge or not. This device is known as electroscope. And this is how an electroscope works.